Also 3 bedrooms set from here, so...
I've been here before.
How you doing?
This one of this about you. Neighbor! Who they shout? I don't know what that's like this now.
Wait till I have.
Now maybe the new neighbor. And my name now, Anita. AKA Smoking. I don't take nonsense from any nuisance.
As in, we where they this company, she they call nuisance and be which person.
I beg me, I know your one person problem. We should just carry our problem and put aside.
This girl, small pikin wey no get am for head. Now they cry for here.
You are stupid. Well, Abba, you dey mad. Because they want your place. Anita,
This girl come off my CD. They tell me say I dey disturb am for a room.
Oga Caretaker, you see this girl so? This girl, she be like agent wey dey send come from hellfire come disturb the peace of this compound. Oga Caretaker, as I dey here now, I just dey vex. If this girl no leave this house, country meeting because I rent from this compound.
Why do you feel wrong, self, nah?
Hold on for there.
You get mad because I know how to handle you. With this, we'll get you arrested.
Yes.
Amaria, see for you everything they make gudu gudu. I go kill him for person. You know that for me? I come from Kaduna, I go kill him for you. Musa!
You go give me money.
Musa, what's going on in this compound? I see him for this girl for road. Yes. I tell her say make we go do. Yes. I say I go give him for 50,000. I say, you get money now. I carry her into inside house. See him for this girl. I check her for here. I don't get the bush. I check her for here. I don't get the bush. I check her for here. I don't get the bush. I tell her say I know they do it for small pikin. My sister, you know say I'm working on the right small pikin.
I beg, hold on for there. The first thing you carry beer like person when you run from Oko prison. Now me see me say I go still hold there for there. With your dreadlock like person when you run from Muselu Psychiatric Hospital. With this small thing wey you carry for your chest like akara. Now you dey say 50,000. See this girl, you know they see packaging. With your breast alone, I go use you do joke, nothing go shake me.
This is fashion temple. They insult to my boyfriend.